Morning, welcome to the channel. Today's the topic is Lloyd's mirror experiment. Lloyd's mirror experiment. So Lloyd devised an interesting method of producing interference pattern using single mirror. So and using almost grazing incidence. So single mirror used as a interference pattern produced చేసారు Lloyd. The Lloyd's mirror is polished on the front surface, so which is displayed on the screen. Here is the figure of the Lloyd's mirror experiment. Here Lloyd's mirror is polished on the front surface of blackened at the back to avoid multiple reflections. Light from a slit S1. Here are two slits S1, S2. Is allowed to fall on the plane mirror at grazing incidence. The mirror reflects a portion of the incident light, gives rise to virtual image. S2 of the slit, the other part of the incident light proceeds directly from the slit S1 to the screen. The slit S1 and S2 acts as two incoherent sources. The light directly coming from the slit S1 interferes with the light reflected from the mirror, forming an interference pattern in the region BC. So of the screen placed at a distance D from S1, as can be seen from the figure. So where it touches the end of the reflector, if the central fringe is observed with white light, it is found to be dark. So this implies the reflected beam undergoes sudden phase change of reflection. So Lloyd's mirror experiment. It is Lloyd method is producing interference pattern by using single mirror. There are two sources S1 and S2. The sources and screen, the distance between source and screen is D. సో సోర్స్ నుంచి లైట్ అనేది ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయినప్పుడు సమ్ పార్ట్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, సమ్ పార్ట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అవుతుంది. సో S1, S2 and screen. Consequently, if there is a point P on the screen such that S2 minus S1P is equals to n lambda, here n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 will be get minima destructive interference. S2 minus S1P is equals to n plus 1 lambda by 2 will be get maxima. So determination of wavelength. Lloyd's mirror is used to determine the wavelength of light. For this, Lloyd's mirror is mounted vertically on an upright of optical bench. So Lloyd's mirror is used to determine the wavelength of light. So the fringe width beta is measured micrometer eyepiece, as in case of biprism experiment. The distance D by means of convex lens using displacement method, and distance D directly by meter scale. So the wavelength of light is calculated by formula. So the simply Lloyd's mirror is used to determine the wavelength of light. Lloyd's mirror is used to determine the wavelength of light. So wavelength is simply determined by using the formula which is by Lloyd. Lambda is equals to d beta by capital D. Here D is distance of source. Here lambda is equals to d beta by This is the formula which is given by Lloyd to determine wavelength of light. Here where d is distance of the source, lambda wavelength of the light, beta fringe width, capital D distance between source and screen. Here distance between, this is the source, and here it is the screen. So here capital D is distance between source and screen. So small here lambda wavelength, beta fringe width.